Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to go through how you initially set up SENspeller before you use it with your child. I'll show you how to add profiles, add topics and words and run through the general settings for you. So once you've uploaded SENspeller, you will see two parental control buttons at the bottom right hand of the screen. If you click on the outside button, it will come up with a simple sum which prevents any unwanted changes. So next you're presented with 4 headings and I'll talk you through each one. So under General Settings you will be able to toggle on and off different sound effects such as Successful Attempt Sound and Stage Completion Sound. You can also reset each child to Stage 1 for all topics in this General Settings. Next we'll go on to Personal Settings. And here you can see each child's individual progress. So when they last played, what stage they're on for a particular topic. At the top here you can see one name. If you had more than one child, then you can click on their name to see their progress. You can also manage the word case. You may want to use uppercase or sentence case in some of your words. Next we will look at the profiles, and this is where you can add more children to SENspeller and add their photos and their names. So if we click here, if I just pick on, let's just pick a name and their profile set up. You can then click on it and I will select from the photo library. If you have a photo saved on your iPad, you can take a photo and then edit the topic name, and you can delete any ones that you don't want on there. Next we're going to look at topics and words. SENspeller is supplied with 10 topics, each with 10 words, and these can actually be deleted so you can add your own words in, and SENspeller has the capacity to hold 200 words at any one time. So I've put some pictures in already. So if we go under transport, for example, and edit topic words, you can see the list of words that are already here. You can add, you can edit, and like we did with the profiles, you can edit and delete. So let's just click on one. You can actually select a photo from the photo library the same way as we would do with the profile, so that you can actually take a picture of their own bike so it's more personal to them. If you're adding in a word that's not already pre-programmed in SENspeller, this button allows you to record the word so that you can add in as many words as you want to. So we'll just close that down. Okay, so then if we go back to the beginning, you can actually see now that we have 2 children on here, and this would be your second person that you can start working with. So thank you for listening to the tutorial about how to set up SENspeller when you initially start with your child. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much.